Hey guys, my name's Max. I was on the phone with Erica and she said you guys would be the ones to send this video to. So really I'm just going to be showing you 3 things that you can do to rank this website in Google for select key terms that are being searched every month by your customers. And I know that this term is being searched every month because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's actually 620 searches every month for a plumber in Elgin, Oregon. Or, I'm sorry, Elgin, Illinois. Just kind of show you the value in that. 620 searches every month. Let's say that you're just here in this organic listing, still going to be bringing in about 20% of the traffic. It's 124 people to your website every month. And of that, a good website can convert about 40% of that into a phone call. That's 50 extra calls a month. With even if you guys only close about 50% of those, that's still 24 to 25 new jobs landed every month. So like I said, I'm going to show you the first thing, and that's content on your homepage. So if we just kind of scroll down here and just copy everything that you see here, including these images and what they're saved as, and then we throw it into this word counter, shows me that you have 1,700 words on your homepage, and that's actually pretty perfect. You want between 1,500 and 2,000 words typically is the minimum, because Google looks at your website as a contributing factor to their platform, and so the bigger your website is, the bigger their platform gets, and then they will reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. Now, I will say I would go in here and add these exact key terms there in a strategic way. That way you guys will start to rank for those select key terms. The next thing that I wanted to show you is backlinks. Really all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. So if we throw this in here, this shows me the back end of your page. And so you guys have 501 backlinks coming from 45 different websites. And so that is passing some power. However, as you can see, this rating right here is not near as high as it should be, because you typically want these numbers to be about the same. And this is Google's trust rating, how much they trust the links that are coming into your site. And that is that's low because you have so many links coming from such few websites. And so some of these websites are passing a ton of links that are really spammy, and they're just blank links that aren't actually passing power. So if you had a link like this to your homepage and you started putting that on like relevant topics like plumbing blog posts and home improvement websites that have good numbers, that's going to help bring that trust rating up and start to match your actual domain rating. The third and final thing I wanted to show you is citations. And really all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, Facebook, or BBB. And what that does is it verifies that you have a real physical address and that you're not just another website out there on the internet. And once you do get that verified, Google will start to rank you here. And this is important because these typically get about 25% more clicks than these organic listings down here do. So that's really all that I have for you guys today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. All I ask is for a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this, excuse me. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. That being said, I appreciate your time. Thank you.